right? At Knott's Berry Farm.
Looks like the construction's coming along fairly well. Painting the old cue from the dinosaur ride. And the awning seems to be finished. Yeah, it's looking very, very steampunk, that's right. The queue line seems to be all installed now. If I could. These little peeky holes. I was hoping for an escalator, so we didn't really have to walk. The awning looks amazing. See if we have any more construction going on. Last time we were here, these doors were open.
Oh, yeah.
It doesn't really look like they're going to utilize the arcade area. Walls are still up. Oh, look, you can have a chance to get up top and like actually get a peek inside. We definitely have some painting going on. We're painting the inside of the cube blue, and it looks like the old Kingdom of the Dinosaurs queue actually got rid of the old mural, the Knott's mural that used to be back there. The old Los Angeles mural is gone now. It's all painted blue.